Welcome to my channel. Canon printer ink problem? How to fix blank print issue in all Canon printers, 2025 guide. Is your Canon printer printing blank pages? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the simple steps to fix this issue in any Canon printer. First, restart the printer, turn off your printer, wait for 10 seconds, and then turn it back on. Sometimes a simple restart fixes the issue. Second, check ink levels. Open the printer cover and check the ink cartridge levels. If ink is empty, replace the cartridge. Third, reinstall the ink cartridge properly. Remove the cartridge and reinstall it carefully. Make sure it clicks into place properly. Fourth, print a nozzle check page. Go to the printer settings and run the nozzle check. If lines are missing, continue to the next step. Fifth, perform head cleaning. Use the head cleaning or deep cleaning option from the printer maintenance menu. This helps clear ink blockages. Sixth, align the print head. Run the print head alignment process from printer settings. This improves the print quality. Seventh, check paper print settings. Make sure you've selected the correct paper size and type. Wrong settings can cause blank prints. Check paper print settings. If you've installed a new cartridge, make sure the transparent protective tape is removed from the ink nozzle. Ninth, update printer driver's title. Download and install the latest Canon printer driver from the official Canon website. Outdated drivers can cause printing issues. 10th, clean the print head manually, if needed, if nothing works, carefully remove the print head and clean it with a soft cloth and a little warm water. Dry it completely before reinstalling. Thank you for watching.